bottle painting video that I will share with the lamp, bottle lamp, how to make a 3D effect bottle lamp. So in this video I am going to share how you can make this beautiful lamp with a started bottle, glass bottle we have used, and very easy. No need to be very much perfect in painting and all. You don't require so much artistic effect. Anybody can make and have. So please watch the video till the end to get all the tips and tricks how you can make it and how to paint or how to design yourself. I will share the everything with you. If you like the video, then just share this video with your friends, subscribe my channel, and just stay tuned. First thing you need to do, you need a printed design. Either you just print any design from the internet, or if you have any printed from the magazine and all, just take it out and cut according to the size of your bottle. Just measure like the shown in the picture and then cut, and make sure that you don't cut even edges. Okay, it should be uneven so it merge with the base color. After cutting the picture, what you need to do, you just take some sketch pen or any pen and mark the line where you will stick this picture. It's roughly you just mark the area where you want to stick, and then we will stick it with the use of decoupage glue. Stick the paper properly and apply the glue from the back side of the paper also, so it become wet and it stick nicely on the bottle. The picture will be visible on the opposite side of the picture from the bottle, so it will give the 3D effect. This is how it looks after drying. The next step is very important. The people normally don't use this step. First thing is that we need to mark the design, opposite side of the design, the place where the bottle will be transparent and the design will be visible. And other than that, first we will apply the base color, and after that we will do it on the primer coating on this. This base color, this step is required because sometimes if you apply directly the clay on the bottle or clay mixture or any primer, then the white part will be visible from the inside of the bottle. So always apply a color according to the picture as a base color which merge with the design you have used. If you have primer like gesso and all, you can use for this step. If you don't have anything, then don't worry. Just take a white glue or Fevicol, mix it with the talcum powder and use it as a primer on the bottle. This step we are doing directly, we are not using applying any color, or don't leaving the bottle like that, because the half the picture we have stick, that paper will be little visible on some part of the bottle. So we will cover bottle with this primer mixture to make it even, and that picture won't be visible from the outside. This is the primer mixture I made myself with the talcum powder and the Fevicol mixture. I will apply this on the bottle. Just apply, leaving the space front side from where the design is visible, or which we want to keep it the transparent part. I already marked a rough line for this. On the black color where I applied, on that black color now I am applying this mixture. So make sure to use a base color before this, and again when this mixture is dried, clay mixture or primer is dried, then we again will apply the base color, which is will be according to our design pattern. When the base color will dry, you can do the texture effect on the bottle. It's up to your choice. I did the texture effect according to the picture. You can see in my picture there is a green and blue color mixture in the background. So I just use that green and blue mixture for the background of the bottle. You can see it's a very simple technique how I am doing. Both color I just took on the sponge and I just applied randomly on the bottle. And after that you can leave it here only, or you can make some designs on this. I made some leaf pattern according to the picture, so it will mix with the outer and inner design of the bottle. After drying the bottle, first I just made some stone type effect on the bottom of the black color. For this I use the black and white and grey mixture, like some different shades of greys on that, and just randomly I made some stones like that, which will give like the effect where the Buddha is sitting on the stone or rocks. If you don't want to paint, you can simply just do the texture effect, or you can do the simple decoupage painting also, like use some other printed paper on the front side also. I have already shared one video on this, but I am making some designs, so randomly just draw the pattern. If you want to draw something, I am drawing only leaves on this, like the sides of the Buddha, the leaves are visible, so I am doing that only. For leaf I use the yellow ochre, lemon yellow and green color, and I will make the different shades of this, and I will do. I am using the very simple technique to do the leaf. It's very easy to make. It's not the so much perfection you need. It will come out nicely. Just draw, and then with the one brush you simply apply the color. This is the first technique. You can apply like this. Mixture of color you can see, and you can give the shades on this. Second pattern, like simply just apply the brush from the diagonal both sides. I use randomly the mixture of the color, sometimes white, yellow and green, so that you can see it came out nicely. We are not giving any outline or anything on this. We just want to make the pattern like this. For second bottle I did only this texture effect. You can see it's a black, green and blue color. In the picture it's the texture effect on the background of the Ganesha, so I also did the same thing only. On topmost side, upper layer I used the red color and yellow color, down this one. When the background or painting is dry, then either you use the varnish or decoupage to cover it or protect for the protecting layer. It will give the glossy effect also to the bottle. After top cover, let it dry properly, completely. Then use the cork light, which is shown into the starting. If you don't have that, then you can use any battery lights also, and your lamp is ready to light. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification for the next videos also. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected.